So, today I want to show you a little something special. You may have already noticed. This is not the interior of the car you've seen me in the past, and the reason is the bottom of the car. So, I wanted to take you on a quick tour of my new car. I want to show you the ins and the outs of it, and just basically brag about how much I love this car and how very grateful I am that we were able to get it. So here is my new Kia Soul 2010. It is such a compact little thing. I love it so much. We're going to start from the back and work our way forward. There we go. So here's the back end. Very small. But there is storage right under here, and under there is the spare tire. And also, if you come here, you can actually push that all the way down, and that one too, and make more room in the back end. And then to put it back up, you just, like so. This is the back seat, and you'll notice on all four doors, you've got that. So you got bottles, you got lots of drinks, you can put them in the doors. Here's my driver's side. Let me just get in real quick. Here is my view when I'm driving. I've got all my fancy little buttons for all the different controls and whatnot. Here's all my buttons and knobs and whatnot to control the AC and the heat and the radio and the CD and everything. So here is a fancy little thing where you put your sunglasses. The glove box is also quite fancy. Lots and lots of space in there. This little thing is something that came with it. I think the previous owners must have left it in here in the car. I can attach my phone to this and swivel it however I want, and then I can tighten the bottom of it to set my phone the way I want it, which I think is pretty cool. No power seats, oddly enough. It's got the bar in the front, and it's got a couple of levers here. I've got two of those. One of these, one of those. I don't have anything plugged in there right now. There's my gear shift. There's my brake and a couple of places to put drinks. Here's that. Here's all my crap. Let me show you what she sounds like. So quiet. Here's one of my favorite things. Help.
Possible commands are call, phone book, setup, redial, or call back. You can also directly call a name or dial a number. At any time, say cancel to avoid voice recognition.
Cancel.
Cancel.
That's my friend. This car is amazing, and I couldn't be more grateful that we had the opportunity to get me a better car that's more reliable for work, and that's not quite as broken down, and that's not going to break down on me every month. That'll be different for me. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my car. I didn't show absolutely everything, but I'm sure you enjoyed it nonetheless. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! So, it's not unlocked. It might help if I unlocked it. It doesn't have automatic locks, so